Hello my friends and welcome back to another Thrift Store Thursday. I have some really fun finds to share with you guys today. Once again, it's going to be a very small haul. I feel like I'm becoming the queen of small hauls lately. I think it's been the last 3 weeks, not including this week, where the hauls have been very small, but absolutely fabulous. And this week is no exception. I am so thrilled with my finds that I cannot hardly contain my excitement to share them with you. So let's go ahead and get started. So I actually went to 2 different thrift stores this week. The first one was Goodwill, and I only found one thing, but it is so cool, you guys. It was $3.99, and it is this fabulous rustic crate that has this cute little divider in it. How cute is that? You guys, I love this. I think it is so cool. I love wooden boxes. I love wooden crates, and I am slowly kind of growing a collection of them. I think I have like 3 or 4 boxes now. Some of them have, writing on the side. This one is just plain, but you can tell that it is rather old. And I love that it's got this divider in it. So I can use it like this, or like this, or like this. And I think it's going to be a really versatile piece, which I think I'm going to have so much fun decorating with. So $3.99 and a fabulous piece. And I love that it's like, look at this patina. You guys, it's lovely. Absolutely lovely. So, super excited about that. Even though it's just a box. My husband's like, it's a box. Yeah. And it's a fabulous box. So I'm loving that. So then I went to another thrift store, and it's one that I don't go to all the time. It's called Restore. And it's like a church-run thrift store. And I wasn't having a whole lot of luck in there until we went around this corner into the little alcove. And you guys, I found the most amazing thing that I never knew I wanted, but I saw them and I was like, I cannot pass these up. And it is 3 packages of paper dolls. You guys, these are so amazing. So these are all wrapped up, but the first one was $5.49, and these I don't think are actually cardboard. I think they might actually be like little wooden dolls that stand up like, paper dolls. But anyways, they're super cute. And then on the back, they have these clothes. So I'm going to open this one up so I can show you guys, because like I said, I haven't even opened these yet to look at them, but I'm super excited about it. Here's the first little girl. I don't know what these little dots are for. Is it to maybe like put lace on them? Like these have been well used. You can tell the back, they're kind of taped together. So this one is Martha, it says on the bottom. So there's Martha. Oh, and here's Joe. Look at her, she's so cute. She's missing a hand, but that's totally fine. And then here's Karen. Oh, Karen is very, very, her head's a little precarious right now, but, oh, that was the tape that was holding her head on. There's a piece on the back. So there's her. What was her name? Karen. That was Karen. So yeah, her hair is super cute. And then there is Judy. Here's Judy. So anyways, and then there's a whole bunch of like clothes to put on them. Here's a little hat. I gave Judy a little hat there. You guys, this is gonna be so much fun. But anyways, there's a whole stack of clothes, and I won't go through all these because I want to show you the other ones as well. But here's the stack of clothes. And they all have, you must be able to like sew them on so then you can like play with them. Because all the clothes have these little lines on them. But look at that cute little dress. Oh, this one, I love this one. This one's a little polka dot dress. And it actually has, someone has gone to the trouble of writing on the back what girl it goes to, so that the little dots will match up. So that's super cute. So yeah, so I will have to go through this little pack of clothes and such and have some fun with that because that's super adorable. Kind of get a couple of them dressed up and like put them on my shelf in my office. I think that'd be really fun. But then, you guys, I found this set right here. It looks like it's a set with the mom and the daughter. And this one was $9.89, which is a little much. You know, it's a little high for a thrift store, but not high for this, I don't think. I think it is such a cool thing. Let me open this one up, and I'll show you close up, at least a couple items in here. So we've got the mom. There's the mom. And then we've got the little girl. There's the little girl. Look at that, they're in their cute little bathing suits. How adorable is that? And then there is a stack of clothes for them as well. Oh, they're such cute little outfits. These obviously are not, as you can see here, they got the little tabs that go over the shoulder. And then in the back, they've got the little tabs that wrap around as well. So there's that one. Here's, oh, it looks like, it might be like matching outfit. Look at this one, you guys. This one actually wraps all the way around. So there's the dress in the front. Here's the dress in the back. How fun would these little dresses be to hang up on like a little, and make a little garland out of them? How fun would that be? So it looks like there are matching dresses for the mom and the daughter. This one wraps around as well. I mean, how cute is that? So there's a little stack here of dresses. These dresses are much more fragile. Like the paper is much more thin. These almost feel like almost like wrapping paper, like maybe slightly thicker wrapping paper. But look at this, you guys. It has some that aren't even used yet. Oh my gosh, they're falling out. There's some more in the middle, it looks like. Oh my, yes. There's more in the middle. Oh my gosh, look at this one, you guys. The little jammies. How adorable. So yeah, there's like a little booklet here. Looks like, oh, I'm dropping everything. Oh, there's a, oh my gosh. You guys. I mean, like seriously, they just don't make clothes fun like this anymore. A little ice skating outfits. How adorable is that? So yeah, this is like a whole little book of things. I am so excited. So excited. So anyways, so there's that one. I have one more to show you guys, and this one is my absolute favorite one. This one was $12.89, and once again, I have not gotten into it, but look at the graphic that came with it. You guys, look at that. The bridal party. It's got the cute little groom and the bride. Look at her gorgeous little dress. The little flowers. I absolutely love it. It looks like there's like the bride and groom. I am just in love with this little picture right here. I'm totally going to put this on display in my craft room. So I'm loving that for sure. Let's bust into this one. The groom, I'm assuming. We've got a little girl. We've got the bride. There's another guy. And another lady. And then there's the dresses. Look, here's a dress for the little girl. One of the suits. How very dapper. So this one as well has a couple pages that haven't even been cut out yet. Here you go. Like this. How fun is that? I just love the jammy ones. How cute is that? It's got a little stuffed animal too. And then it's kind of fun. And then there's another page of a few miscellaneous outfits. And then, of course, the big outfit, which is the wedding dress and the groom's tux. And look at that. That is so cool. And then here's the bridesmaid dress on the other side and the flower girl's dress. So cool, you guys. I am loving this so much. I may have to look at that. That is so cool. 24 costumes with accessories. It's by Whitman. It's copyrighted 1964. And the bottom, if you guys can see that or not. So anyways, I think this is so cool. Like I said, I'm probably going to display this for sure because I think that is so neat. Maybe they display that with like my vintage cake toppers. I think that would be really fun. It's just such a fun graphic and the colors are fabulous. So that's really fun. And then of course you can always use this side as well. Just switch things up. So I thought those little paper doll things were so cool. There were a few more there that I didn't pick up. I just picked out my favorites. I think there was like 3 or 4 other sets. Like I said, a little expensive for the thrift store, but totally not something that I was going to pass up at all. So I probably didn't need to buy 3 sets, but I just couldn't help myself. So those are the items that I picked up this week. I hope you guys enjoyed today's haul because I thought it was pretty fabulous and I had a lot of fun with it. I hope you enjoyed looking at all the little paper doll things because I was getting a kick out of that for sure. So anyways, thank you for watching. I would love to know down in the comments what you liked from today's haul and of course what you found this week when you were out and about thrifting in your neck of the woods. So leave me a comment, hit that thumbs up button, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye now.